Every day, men are bombarded with dramatic health claims online. Doctors don't want you to know this. One simple home remedy fixes everything. Apply this overnight for unbelievable results. If you've spent any time online, especially after 40 or 50, you've probably seen these viral headlines. And it's understandable if they leave you confused, curious, or even hopeful. Many men are quietly dealing with circulation issues, joint stiffness, skin changes, or slow healing, and they're looking for safe, affordable solutions. My name is Dr. DuPont. I'm a licensed urologist and men's health specialist. For decades, I've helped men understand how their bodies change with age, what actually helps, and just as importantly, what habits may be holding them back. In this video, I want to clearly explain what men should stop doing when it comes to using popular home remedies like CASTOR, oil and baking soda, and how to understand what these substances can and cannot realistically do for the body. One of the points I'll share today surprises most men. Watch until the end, because understanding the right way to think about these remedies can help you avoid disappointment, irritation, or even harm and make better health decisions moving forward. Let's begin. 1. Stop believing castor oil is a magic cure. Castor oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its soothing and moisturizing properties when applied to the skin. However, many men make the mistake of treating castor oil as a cure-all. From a medical standpoint, castor oil primarily works on the surface and nearby tissues. It does not penetrate deeply enough to reverse chronic conditions or structural problems. Biologically speaking, the skin acts like a protective wall. While castor oil can improve skin hydration and comfort, it does not rebuild nerves, reopen blocked blood vessels, or permanently change internal organs. Men with diabetes, poor circulation, or nerve sensitivity should be especially cautious about expecting deep effects from topical remedies alone. Castor oil can support comfort, but it is not a substitute for medical care. 2. Stop assuming baking soda detoxes the body. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, plays an important role inside the body, especially in maintaining blood pH balance through the kidneys and lungs. But applying it externally or mixing it into home remedies does not detox the body in the way many claims suggest. Your liver and kidneys already handle detoxification. No topical mixture can replace these organs. When baking soda is used on the skin, its primary effect is temporary pH change. This can reduce odor-causing bacteria and mildly exfoliate dead skin cells. However, excessive or frequent use can disrupt the skin's natural acid barrier, leading to dryness, irritation, or microdamage, especially in older skin, which is thinner and slower to heal. Men with sensitive skin, circulation problems, or neuropathy should be particularly careful. 3. Stop mixing without understanding skin chemistry. When castor oil and baking soda are mixed, they create a combination of fatty acids and alkaline particles. From a biological perspective, skin health depends on balance. Healthy skin maintains a slightly acidic environment that protects against bacteria and irritation. Baking soda is alkaline. When applied repeatedly, it can neutralize that protective layer. This can lead to increased dryness, disrupted skin barrier, higher risk of irritation. Castor oil may partially offset dryness, but it does not cancel out the alkaline effect. This is why some men feel temporary relief, followed by worsening sensitivity days later. Understanding skin chemistry helps prevent unintended damage. Stop expecting circulation changes from topical use alone. One of the most common claims surrounding this mixture is improved blood flow. Blood flow is controlled by blood vessels, nerves, and nitric oxide signaling processes that occur deep inside the body. Topical substances may create warmth or mild stimulation at the skin level, which can feel like increased circulation, but this does not mean deeper vascular changes are occurring. Men with cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, smoking history, or diabetes often experience reduced circulation due to vessel stiffness or nerve damage, conditions that topical mixtures cannot reverse. True circulation support comes from physical activity, metabolic health, blood sugar control, cardiovascular care, Topical comfort is not the same as vascular improvement. Duty 5. Stop ignoring the role of inflammation. Chronic inflammation plays a major role in aging, pain, stiffness, and slow healing. Castor oil has mild anti-inflammatory properties at the skin level. This may help soothe superficial discomfort. However, baking soda does not reduce inflammation inside tissues and may irritate inflamed skin if overused. Men with obesity, arthritis, metabolic syndrome, or autoimmune conditions often have systemic inflammation that requires lifestyle and medical management. Reducing inflammation effectively involves nutrition, weight management, sleep quality, medical guidance. No topical mixture can replace these foundations. 6. Stop delaying proper medical evaluation. This is the most important point. Many men turn to home remedies because they feel embarrassed, rushed, or dismissed when it comes to health concerns. But delaying evaluation can allow underlying issues to progress, especially problems involving circulation, nerves, or metabolic health. Skin discomfort, swelling, numbness, or persistent pain should never be ignored. Home remedies may provide temporary comfort, but they should never replace routine checkups, blood sugar screening, cardiovascular assessment, hormonal evaluation. Early action protects long-term health. Closing. Let's bring everything together. Castor oil and baking soda each have limited specific uses. When mixed, they may provide temporary surface-level effects, but they do not create dramatic internal changes. The real danger is not the mixture itself, it's misunderstanding what it can realistically do. Your body's health depends on circulation, nerve integrity, hormonal balance, metabolic control, inflammation management. These systems require informed care, not shortcuts. If you're experiencing changes in your body, don't stay silent. Men's health deserves attention, respect, and open discussion. Taking responsibility for your health is not weakness, it's strength. Thank you for watching.